Hello everyone, my name is Mousumi Rai from Department of Physics, Assam Don Bosco University. In this video, I am going to explain about Zener diode. Zener diode is a heavily doped semiconductor diode which is designed to operate in reverse direction. The circuit diagram of the Zener diode is shown in the figure. The Zener diode is employed in reverse biasing. The reverse biasing means the N-type material of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the supply and the P-type material is connected to the negative terminal of the supply. The depletion region of the diode is very thin because it is made of heavily doped semiconductor material. Working of Zener diode. The Zener diode is made up of heavily doped semiconductor material. The heavily doped means the high level impurities is added to the material for making it more conductive. The depletion region of the Zener diode is very thin because of the impurities. The heavily doping material increases the intensity of the electric field across the depletion region of the Zener diode even for the small reverse voltage. When no biasing is applied across the Zener diode, the electrons remains in the valence band of the p-type material and no current flow through the diode. When external energy is applied across it, the electrons of the valence band easily move from one band to another. When the reverse bias applies across the diode and the supply voltage is equal to the Zener voltage, then it starts conducting in the reverse bias direction. The Zener voltage is the voltage at which the depletion region completely vanishes. The reverse bias applies across the diode increases the intensity of electric field across the depletion region. Thus, it allows electrons to move from the valence band of p-type material to the conduction band of n-type material. This transferring of valence band electrons to the conduction band reduces the barrier between the p and n-type material. When the depletion region becomes completely vanished, the diode starts conducting in the reverse bias. Thank you.